Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ice cream lassi at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh, plain yogurt, some milk, and a bit of sugar. Don't forget your favorite ice cream flavor, like vanilla or mango, to make it extra special. Make sure everything is well chilled for that perfect, refreshing consistency. We'll also need a good blender and some serving glasses ready to go. Now, let's create the creamy base for our lassi. Pour 1 cup of fresh yogurt into your blender. Next, add 1/2 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Secure the lid and blend these ingredients together until the mixture becomes wonderfully smooth and develops a nice frothy top. Feel free to taste it at this point and add a little more sugar if you prefer a sweeter lassi. This is where the magic happens. Carefully add 2 to 3 generous scoops of your preferred ice cream into the blender with your lassi base. Blend again, but only for a short time, just until the ice cream is fully incorporated and the mixture is thick and smooth. For an authentic touch, you can also add a small pinch of ground cardamom or a few drops of rose water before the final blend. Your delicious homemade ice cream lassi is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the thick, creamy beverage into tall serving glasses. For a beautiful presentation, you can garnish each glass with a sprinkle of chopped pistachios, a fresh mint leaf, or even a swirl of fruit syrup. Serve your lassi immediately to savor its wonderfully cool, sweet, and refreshing taste. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.